Good morning. We're going to the beach today, actually, and we're going to rent sunbeds because we hate to lay in the sand, so we're renting sunbeds. But now we are making breakfast and lunch, and we're gonna eat breakfast. Then we're gonna pack our beach bags and then we're going. Ah, my tooth is literally dying. Oh gosh, I'm tired. I'm tired. Lunch, breakfast.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to...
I'm wearing this red bikini today. I haven't used it here yet. I'm also wearing this skirt from Yanni.
Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura.
It's lunchtime. It's almost 3 p.m.
No, Rambo! Rambo!
Oh, den hund. This was really dry. Oh, gracias. Look at this cute bottle. This bread is really dry. The temperature today is really nice. So let's eat and continue tanning.
Paso esto yo solo cuéntate. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves, rapa, pam, pam. Haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada. Solo amaneciste en mi cama.
We are still out here. It's 6:30 p.m. And they're closing in half an hour. We don't have any plans tonight yet. That isn't a surprise, is it? But as always, we will figure out something. Yeah. And now we don't have a lot of sun, it's mostly shadows. I'm excited to eat dinner. Yeah, and hear what my parents have done today, or they've been at the beach as always. They're going to the same beach every day in Estepona, the one we were at on Saturday. But we are at the beach in Photoshoot because we wanted to rent sunbeds instead of laying in the sand. So yeah, really worth the money, but it was really expensive though. Like when I were in Turkey and stuff when I was younger, it cost like €2 maximum, but the price here was €15 for one day. No please. There's a lot of like selling people and massage people that are coming up to us with their stuff and want to sell to us. These sunbeds were really comfortable, and this day have gone by so fast. But now I'm excited for dinner, so we're leaving in half an hour. We are back in the apartment and I almost just came out of the shower, and this is today's outfit. Really simple. It's soon dinner, but first I'm gonna comb my hair and put in my oil. But I'm waiting for Sigrid to get out of the shower because my oil is in there. So yeah, we're having hamburger for dinner and fries, so I'm really excited. I'm not a huge fan of burgers, but today I'm actually looking forward to eat burger. But first, let us fix the hair. Let's do this. Alla jag som inte vill som sagt. My parents just left. Ooh, yes. They are going to Malaga because tonight my brother is arriving at the airport, so he's gonna spend the last days here with us. And they left now because they're going to the casino or something, I think. Yeah. So we are home alone. We're gonna have a little photo shoot, so I'm gonna do my makeup. Not so much, but a little bit, so I can show you what I do. Ooh. I'm starting with a primer. I didn't get a lot out of it, so we're just gonna use what we have. I'm using the Too Faced primer from the Hangover primer from Too Faced.
Toothpaste primer
From toothpaste. Not toothpaste. Too-Faced primer from toothpaste. And I'm also gonna use this primer from Benefit, the professional primer. Like this. Next thing out is a little bit of foundation. I'm not using a lot, but a little bit. Then I'm using some concealer. I'm using the NARS concealer. And then I need my powder from La Mercier, the best powder in this world. Just to set the wet products. Curling eyelash curler, I don't know. And last but not least, eyebrow gel. Done! Simple and easy. Now I have to put this mirror back and my makeup bag. We're ready to go and have a photo shoot. It's photo shoot and it's almost dark outside, or it's not dark, but it's getting dark, so this is gonna be interesting. And you have to come now because it can be really dark soon. We can use the blitz on the camera though. Ooh, party! Are you ready? No. Why not? Let's go to the pool, let's go get away. They say what they gotta say, have a drink, click. Okay.
Har du på blitz? Är det här då?
Nej!
Oj! Nej, kom och ta flera! Kom och tog oss Just around here.
This is going good, you guys.
Oh shit. Hi.
Moving location. Yeah. I can take the table.
Okay, tack.
It probably looks like we're gonna steal the table.
We're such rebels.
Stealing tables. Okay, so we're gonna try there.
I like those ones with the stripes.
Me too. If we put it like here, a little bit more away, maybe it'll be good, maybe not. Okay, let's try.
Jag tror det var så.
Wow, cute! Same! Wow, det var cute. We are looking for the last location because the battery is running low on her camera, so I think we're gonna do one more location in front of a wall. Okay, here's the location, guys, in front of this fancy thing. Okay, oh, I like these plants. Oh, now my battery is running low as well. See you when I change battery. yeah, now it's dark outside and we're having a chill night at the apartment. Just having fun, you know what's going on. We are just sitting here staring at each other. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. My parents won't be back until 2 AM tonight because my brother's flights are late. So we're just gonna have a chill night by the apartment. It's dark outside and there's no stores or anything open. We could go to Photoshoot, but we don't. We've been like outside every day actually, so this is the first night we're just staying in the apartment, and that's nice as well. Yes, baby, you look at my beautiful sunglasses. Well, what are you doing? I hope that you're eating candy while watching this vlog, because candy is life. It's almost 12 AM and I'm getting an ice cream. Stone floor. I was about to say stone flower. If you were wondering what I've been doing since the last time you heard from me, I've been editing photos. You can see them on my Instagram. Follow me, everyone. What are you doing? Editing. Editing? Wow. Wow. Follow me on Instagram too. Everyone. Yeah, eat ice cream. Little say shameless say shameless self-promo. Yum 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 yum. Ouch! My tooth. There's a chance to see. Where did the ice cream go? Why did you eat my ice cream? Where is it? Sorry. Aww. As I said, my brother is coming tonight, so I'm starting to prepare the bed for him. He has to sleep on the sofa. So we have to find Sigrid Kardine på engelsk. Duvet? What the fuck? Okay, duvet. No. In here. Not in here. Oh, there it is, I think. Okay, let's try. Perfect. It's too big. I'm such a good sister. I think it's time to end this vlog. It's 12:35 PM and I don't know how much we're gonna be awake. Or no, I'm not ending this vlog yet, but I won't vlog until we go to bed or until my brother will arrive. It depends on if we go to bed before he's coming. So the next clip will either be us going to bed or my brother arriving. I think they are outside. I'm sorry. So I'm waiting. By the way, the home button stopped working and I don't know how to fix it. Hello. Welcome. And now it's time to put on moisturizer because I got sunburned again on my legs. So I have to do that and remove my makeup and put on the cream on my wisdom tooth, and then we're going to bed. So thank you so much for watching. See you in tomorrow's vlog. Adios.